two scientists, Stanley Cohen and Herbert Boyer, they have conducted an experiment, multiplication or cloning of antibiotic resistance gene. They constructed artificial recombinant DNA. They have performed in the E. coli bacteria cloning of antibiotic resistance gene. Stanley Cohen, Herbert Boyer. First of all, they have isolated antibiotic resistance gene by cutting out a segment of DNA from a plasmid that was responsible for antibiotic resistance. They isolated antibiotic resistance gene by cutting out a segment of DNA from a plasmid that was responsible for antibiotic resistance. Now, this was connected to the plasmid of Salmonella typhimurium. This is the plasmid of another bacterium, Salmonella typhimurium. So this segment of DNA and this plasmid, these two DNA belong to two different organisms, two different varieties. They will be linked together and artificial recombinant DNA will be constructed. So these two are linked together to synthesize a recombinant DNA. This is the complete circular autonomously replicating recombinant DNA, which is formed by joining DNA of two different strains of two different varieties. The antibiotic resistance gene is incorporated in the recombinant DNA. This complete circular self-replicating recombinant DNA functions as a vector. Vector means now this plasmid delivers the antibiotic resistance gene into the host cell, say E. coli. Into the host genetic material or host DNA, the antibiotic resistance gene is incorporated. As a result, inside the host cell, the antibiotic resistance gene will replicate along with the host DNA by utilizing DNA polymerase of the host. This foreign DNA antibiotic resistance gene integrated into the host DNA will now replicate by utilizing DNA polymerase enzyme of the host cell, and it will make multiple copies. It will make many copies along with the host DNA. Making multiple copies within the host cell by utilizing host DNA polymerase is called cloning. In this way, cloning of antibiotic resistance gene was conducted by two scientists, Stanley Cohen and Herbert Boyer. Please remember, the host DNA replicates along with this. The foreign DNA also replicates by utilizing host DNA polymerase enzyme. The DNA polymerase of the host will be utilized for the replication of the foreign DNA. The foreign DNA will multiply, it will make multiple copies, and this is called cloning. Please remember one point. The foreign DNA which is introduced and incorporated, it must be linked to the origin of replication, ori, of the host DNA. In the previous topic also, you have learned the foreign DNA is incorporated. It must be linked, it must be incorporated at the origin of replication, ori, origin of replication of the host DNA.